even future giants have their "I'm upset and everyone must know" moments. Practice hard before performing, and this is one of their catwalk practice sessions. He trusted the human and got rewarded with elite level scratches.
And who are you now?
DIY play mode unlocked. Hobby logic. If it moves, it's a toy.
Is that right?
Did you know pumpkins are rich in nutrients, apparently irresistible to this giant intruder? Whatever the result, football players will be proud to have fans like this.
Hello? Oh, yeah. You like dog park too? Oh, yeah, dog parks are fun. Do you like Cheaties too? You
got manners.
Do it one more time.
Here you go, big guy.
Steve's in there. Oh my God. Oh no.
They're not gonna play with you.
Canine by profession, cuddle expert by... Ever wondered what manners look like in the animal kingdom? Let's see.
Are you bringing that to me? Can I have it? I'm coughing in my hair.
Check.
Hello? Oh, yeah. You like dog park too? Oh, yeah, dog parks are fun. Do you like cheaties too? You
One tiger followed instinct, the other remembered who pays the buffet and went. The cat only rushes toward her at high speed when it hears the call for food.
First up on the menu is going to be
Some see a wiper, this monkey sees a rebellious stick demanding discipline. They've approved. Cold weather meets warm air, condensation, cat logic, free soup, no bowl required.
Just tell me we got that up here.
Zoom, 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 zoom. I'm zooming in my room. My zoomies are forever. My zoomies all together. Zoom, 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 zoom. I
Didn't apply for the role, still became the
What are you doing, Skeeter?
in the bathtub. A rub-a-dub-dub.
Once a puppy identifies something, it will
What are you doing, buddy? I think he's seeing demons.
Stop, don't say that.
Ever wondered what manners look like in the animal kingdom? Let's see. That tree didn't choose the job, but it's now employed as a full-time panda stretch pole.
I got a chicken and a catcher. Come here. Come here.
Humans think they're in control, but this escape artist just taught them a lesson.
Down. Right. Cue. Flat.
To this lady.
Okay, this is ridiculous.
Basically oversized toddlers with unlimited affection.
I miss you so much. Yeah. I miss you so much. Yeah.
Вылазь. Поедешь со мной, вылазь. Да.
No, come back. That's so funny. I won't leave you alone. No, I love you.
May I help you? Like, do we got a problem? You looking at?
Winter update installed. Cats now run on shared heating systems.
Don't.
Just using them for butt ribs.
Sitting down. Really cool. How about I'm actually scared.
Brat, stop. Stop thumping. Stop being mad.
Easy. Donkeys are built for teamwork.
That's a litter box now.
Is it what? This is what?
Come here, please. I can see your head. Come here. Let's go. Treats. Come on, come get treats. I hate you so much. Bye.
Trooper, where you at? Here, Trooper. Do you want a treat?
Humans think they're in control, but this escape artist just taught them a lesson.
Go outside? You want to go for a ride? You want some cheese? All right, Mr. Attitude.
Manners don't exist when
just go around when you're climbing the fence instead. How cute! Oh my goodness.
Welcome to nature's most adorable teamwork between humans and their fluffy chaos agents. Who knew turkeys could perform occult rituals better than any human ever could? Prove the dogs share curiosity through invisible Wi-Fi.
Die Larve. Die Larve, wenn grün ist. Oh, let's...
Mom's really running a 5-star relaxation program. That's not just grooming, that's love in action.
Is that his name, Cowboy? That one's Cowboy.
It is a goat. It's a baby goat.
You have a new girlfriend. A new girlfriend.
Salió herido, pero sí hubo robo. Y no cualquier robo, el más tierno del año.
Morning, piggies. Morning, piggies. Everybody up.
K9 selection isn't about size, it's about drive, focus, and scent skills. Bulldog has it all.
Poor baby.
Mommy, surprised she's let her baby out of her sight for so long.
So you did? Okay.
Milo!
Good.
I run this house update.
No!
Dinosaur. Dinosaur. Rah. Who says the wild can't be adorable? Meet nature's tiniest adventurers. Behold, a cat rewriting the sacred codes its ancestors swore to uphold.
What?
You have a new girlfriend. A new girlfriend.
It's the best part of the ride.
Okay, there's my golf clubs. My golf club, the bear. My golf club.
Hazel, get off. Off. Off.
Hazel.
Bro just dropped a track called Paws and Bass.
Yeah. You know, she was funny because I noticed when she jumped on the couch this morning, she like looked.
Norma, I don't think you're supposed to have that.
I can't tell if this seal is giving us a swimming performance or a stand-up comedy under the water. A giant with the softest heart. That careful stillness, he's making sure the kid's safe.
It's just a car ride. How I'm outside and I'm connecting with nature. Very much. Oh! Oh! No! Whoa. Who's taking the pic?
Becky, come here. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Where'd you get? Oh no! You've been eating money.
You thought you brought a dog. Turns out it's a reusable mop with emotion.
Es passing doesn't rain. Come on.
You can come in, but you can't bring your stick. No. No stick. Come on. No.
Baby bear learns climbing early, but choosing the right tree, still a work in progress.
Look at
Oh, yeah, there you go. Oh my god.
He's providing moral support by being the biggest distraction ever.
Смотри, как надо. Смотри. Вот так вот. Ныряй. Ныряй в снег.
Thought, please don't slap me. Please don't slap me.
Right by.
At the New Orleans.
That's the magic of this dramatic little puppy. Overreacting, over-loving. Thanks.
알겠지? 간식 사서 올게. 안녕.
Your vehicle becomes someone else's home. Thanks for watching.
Oh my god.
One running, one surviving. The same wheel, but not the same destiny. Who says you can't have a waterfall? Indoors.
I got it, I got it, I got it! I don't got it.
Mom's really running a 5-star relaxation program. That's not just grooming, that's love in action. Practice hard before performing, and this is one of their catwalk practice sessions. Goats rule. If there's an obstacle, it's a challenge, and I must win. Climbing helps cubs avoid predators, while Mom scouts the area.
You could just go around when you're climbing the fence instead. How cute! Oh my goodness.
Did you know pumpkins are rich in nutrients, apparently irresistible to this giant intruder?
You're gonna fold me like a lawn chair, dude. Okay. Sit on my lap.
Tiny donkey, big cleanliness standards. Donkeys go. I can't tell if this seal is giving us a swimming performance or a stand-up comedy under the water.
Come on. No. Nope.
Cover the sunroof.
Most intelligent species.